Check the flange and pipe seal by verifying there is no gas odor and by performing simple physical and pressure checks. Start by removing the toilet and inspecting the wax ring or modern rubber seal for proper placement and integrity. The wax should be centered on the flange with no gaps, and a rubber or foam gasket should be free of cracks or compression set. Clean the flange and pipe surfaces of old wax, debris, and corroded metal so the new seal sits flush. Use a putty knife and a wire brush and wear gloves. Measure the flange height relative to the finished floor. If the flange sits below the floor plane by more than 1/4 inch, use a flange extender or stackable ring to raise it so the seal compresses evenly. When reinstalling, tighten bolts evenly in an alternating pattern to compress the ring uniformly and avoid tilting the bowl, which can create microchannels for gas. After installation, pour a small amount of water into the bowl and trap test by blocking the vent and listening for hissing around the base. If you hear air movement or smell sewer gas, the mechanical seal is compromised. Finally, perform a simple smoke or incense test by waving a small stick around the base and the closet bend while someone else flushes. Any consistent smoke movement toward the base indicates a leak path to address. Common mistakes are using an old, flattened wax ring that has lost thickness, which lets sewer gas pass. Replace the ring with an appropriately sized new wax or modern gasket and confirm flange height. Over-tightening the closet bolts so the bowl cracks is another frequent problem, which creates irregular sealing surfaces. Tighten alternately and stop when snug and the bowl touches the floor evenly. A third issue is failing to inspect the flange for cracks or missing screws that prevent the flange from sitting flat. Repair or replace cracked flanges and use corrosion-resistant screws so the seal compresses against a stable flange. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and read community experiences related to plumbing and sealing projects. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners and host a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and compare installation approaches.